Hi, this is Reginald Wilson. I'm with the Wilson Home Selling Team. Standing in front of another foreclosed home by Wells Fargo. The home is on the market for $399,000. It's worth $650,000. It's in the prestigious Lake Ridge subdivision in the gated area of Cedar Hill. Let's go inside and see why this home that's worth $650,000. They only selling it for $400,000. 4 bedroom, 4 bath. Let's go see what's going on with it. Why is it so cheap? And this is the way you create wealth. Okay, this is the actual front of it, but this is the neighborhood. All the houses back here is actually located inside the hills. So if you're driving by from the outside, you can barely even notice this neighborhood. And I don't know if you can see that right there is actually where the gate is. So it is a gated area. Now remember, homes like these go really fast. So you have to be ready to purchase homes like this because they have such large equity in it. So let's go inside and see what it looks like. See why they're selling this so cheap. This, of course, is your entry. And remember, homes like these, you cannot do a FHA loan on. You have to do a conventional loan. This will be your office. Wood floors for your formal dining area. Fireplace, of course. Remember, this is the way you create wealth, where what you do is you actually purchase homes like this. You live in them for 2 out of the next 5 years while you building it up. And then you can sell it in 2 years, pull all the equity out, purchase you another home without being taxed on it. So that's the way you get around it for your tax exemption if it's your primary home. That's a very key thing to remember when you're trying to build a net worth through real estate. It's a little butler's area. This is a little dark, but it's the washroom area here. Let's see if they have a light. Three-car garage. Where you can get your 2 nice sized cars in here and put your toys on one side. And this is actually, of course, the kitchen that overlooks the patio and the pool. And we'll go outside and look at the pool area as well.
I heard you play the pool, so I just put the key out of the lockbox.
Oh, it's right here. The key is in the door. Sorry about that.
Oh no, it's the gate key. Let me get the code again.
Okay. It's the pool man coming to clean the pool for the foreclosure company. This will be your master. And a door leading to outside. And it's sitting on a half-acre lot as well. Master bath. With the fireplace over the tub. closet. This is the shower, walk-in shower. You can actually go in and make a little turn. Let's go see why is price so low. One of the biggest parts that costs. Now remember, you get a loan for the house, you still have to find a way or have capital in order for you to do repairs. This is your backyard, standing on a patio. This is what you're looking at.
Can I get you to move your truck to the circle drive so I can pull in?
So this is the pool. This will be your outdoor kitchen. It's been abandoned for a little while because the banks take a little while to go through the foreclosure process. And this is the back. And if you could see here, this is the main, this retaining wall. Looks like the whole retaining wall is going to need to be replaced. That's can be a big expense. Here's the other part of the damage to the retaining wall. All this has dropped off. Okay. All right, now let's go see what the upstairs look like. And remember, if you want all the latest foreclosure properties that hit the market, either the day they hit the market or before they even hit the market, we have a list of foreclosure homes that come to the market every day. And if you want a list with a bunch of equity homes or just homes in the area, remember, go to my website below and you can register and we'll send you alerts every day that one hits the market in your area. This is another bedroom. With a Jack and Jill, walk-through bath. Of course, this is the game room area, overlooking the backyard and the pool, and also overlooking the living room area, or what we call here the great room. And the game room is right off the media room. So this is your media room. And you have to purchase these properties as is. You can negotiate on the price, but the banks will do no repairs. So one of the main things you have to do is have a really good agent that can get you what they call an option period. And that's a 7-day period to protect your earnest money. It might cost you about $100, $50 to $100 to have that option period, and it gives you 7 days, 7 to 10 days to get your contractors in, get you an inspection done, and you figure out whether you want to tackle this project or not. Because sometimes we can look at things from the surface, but we don't know what the plumbing, foundation, electrical, AC units, roof, we have to know if all those things are in great condition. And that's what your inspector can do for you. And then once you find out that list of things that the inspector said, then you get you a contractor in. This is actually a full bath. Tub. Then you get your contractor in. Once your contractor comes in, he say, hey, it's gonna cost you X amount of dollars to do all these repairs. Then you make your decision on, say, hey, this is more than I want to tackle, more than I thought, or, hey, I can do this. Especially if it has $250,000 worth of equity in it, and I can invest $70,000, then it may be worth it to you. So, if you need any information about the home, my phone number is 469-878-9179. I'd be glad to send you over information about what the home is actually worth after repairs. Or you can simply go to my website, and then we will actually, which will be posted below, and we can actually get you a free list of area houses anytime you like. We have lenders in place that can get you the conventional loan as well if you have to do that, or cash. Cash is king. So, and banks love cash because then they don't have to worry about whether you have to get approved through anybody. And if you have cash and they're asking $400,000, a house like this, you probably have to still be around $375,000 to even get this home. Cash. All right, that's it for today. If you like this house, please subscribe below, or just keep watching for my videos, and I keep posting foreclosed homes in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Again, my name is Reginald Wilson. My number is 469-878-9179, or you can just simply register at my website below, and we'll be glad to help you out with any foreclosed homes or any homes in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Give me a call.